Hello friends, good evening. This is Bhupati. In the last video, we covered captured grouping and non-captured grouping, and also I had said we can see an example using grouping and how to create data table using UiPath. Correct? Now let us do. This is our plain text. Okay. Now I will just copy this into our site regex101.com. Now we need to generate a data table. This is not a formatted text. Okay, we do have an option called generate data table, but generate data table will generate only if the text is in the correct format. Okay, otherwise it will not generate. And we also have an option to create a data table using regular expression, that is by grouping, by collecting everything in a collection, and then we can iterate through matches, and we can add each match into a data row. Now let us see how can we do that. Now step 1, I need to capture this input, that is this one, because I want to get this input and add to the collection. So how can we capture this? That is from here to I want till the end. I'm going to use look ahead. Look ahead syntax is still we have not covered look ahead. I will cover that in the next video, but just I will give an overview how it works. Bar code. So look ahead or in front. Okay, another meaning. What is actually in front of this pattern? Inside this pattern, Regex engine actually asserts there immediately without consuming character. Now if you look here, you can see a pipe symbol here. Okay, it asserts immediately, that is in front of this pattern, that is look ahead, or precisely positive look ahead. If you just put an lesser than symbol, it means look behind or after. Okay, what actually comes after this pattern we are given inside, there regex engine asserts the position. You see, now it is after barcode. You can see a pipe symbol is here. Okay, so now regex engine is here. You can either, this is positive look behind. If you don't use, it is positive look ahead. Okay, anyway, I just given an overview. In the next video, we will see in detail about positive look ahead and positive look behind with an example. Okay, now I will use positive look behind. So where is our position here? Now it is here. Now I want to extract the data from here to here. That is my input for the collection. How can we use? What can we use? I use character set backslash small s. What is a small s? Matches any white space, or backslash capital S. What is a capital S? Matches any non-white space. So but it is captured just one single character, because that is a meaning, correct? If you have not used anything, it just matches single character in the character set. Now we will make it as greedy. Okay, now we are good. Okay, so now my input is ready. Now let us go to the UiPath. I have built a data table because we are going to capture the value in a data table. So I have built a data table with these columns: serial number, category, additional serial number, master, quantity, barcode. These are the 6 columns I built data table. You can see I will maximize. Serial number, category, additional serial number, master, quantity, barcode. So 6 columns we have built. Next, what I am doing, I am giving the path where this plain text is saved. Okay, so input path. Next, I am reading this path, that is the text file we have this input text. Okay, we are reading this path, so it generates a what actually is value we have used string input data. Now I have another string str underscore regex collection input. This variable type is string. Okay, now I am giving, let me maximize regex.match string input data. Okay, what actually it is in input data, that is the whole text from here to here, it is in input data now. Okay, dot value, now it has extracted the string. Here I have used actually positive look ahead, but here I have used positive look behind. Positive look ahead means it will include barcode also. Okay, it's not a problem. Now in string we have collected this. Okay, in string regex collection input. Now I have another string. Okay, this pattern is to match every single value of this column. Now I am going to write backslash d. Now high or low, only these two values. So I'm giving again backslash s. What do you understand what actually it is happening? First backslash d I have grouped. This is first capturing group and this is second capturing group. Second capturing group is capturing the category. First capturing group it is capturing serial number. Now again the additional serial number, it is having digits and also underscore or hyphen is also there. So what can we do? Backslash d hyphen underscore plus. Okay, I failed to give plus. Okay, that's the problem, because only if you give plus it will match one or more backspace. Okay, this one is correct. Since I have given only one backslash s, there are multiple backspaces, white spaces are there, so it didn't match. Now we are able to capture additional serial number also. Now I will give backslash s plus. Now it has captured till here. Now what is left? Master, quantity, barcode. So master is either yes or no. Now we can simply give yes or no. Master is captured. Again I will give backslash yes plus. Next is quantity. Quantity is, let's assume it is always 100. Okay, now quantities also we matched. Again backslash s plus. What is the barcode? The last one is the barcode. Okay, so now you see we have 6 groups captured. Okay, for this, for every collection, that is for every sentence in the input string, we have captured 6 groups. Group 1, this one, 2 3 2, group 2 high, group 3 this one. Okay, in match 1 we have 6 groups. If you are right hand side, you can see the match information. We have 6 group. Again match information 2, that is this is the second match. Okay, for this also we have 6 matches. Group 1 we have 2 3 2 2, group 2 is low, group 3 5 underscore 5 -99. Okay, for this, for every match we have 6 groups. Okay, now I am going to copy this and paste it in this pattern. This is just a string variable. If you look here, string match pattern, this is just a string variable. Okay, so what is the next step here? Regex.matches. Now I am creating another variable type, that is system.text.regular_expressions.match collections. Okay, and this variable actually collects all the matches and we can iterate it using for each loop. Okay, now let us maximize it. Regex.matches collection input comma string match pattern is the pattern we write, and this is the string regex collection input, and then we are giving option as regex options dot multi-line or ignore case. Now what actually it will do means it will just takes everything is a collection, and using for each loop we are iterating each match. We have three matches now. Okay, match 1, match 2, match 3. You can see three matches here. Now for every using for each loop we are iterating every match and getting this value using the group. If I use group 1 we will get this value. You see, I have just created 6 variables. String serial number I am using. I am just using match dot groups 1. So now what actually the value it will get means it will get 2322. And if I use string category match dot groups 2, it will fetch this value high. Like this, all the 6 group values it will get. Once it is all the 6 values I fetch, I am adding that value using array. Using add data row activity, I am just adding all the 6 values to a data table. Which data table? The data table we built at the beginning. Okay, now one row we have added. In the next iteration, it takes the second match. Like the same, in the second match it extracts the each group and it adds to the data table. Okay, in the third match like this, it extracts all the 6 groups and adds to the data table. Now our data table is having 3 rows. These 3 rows. Okay, now I will run and show it to you. Finally, we are displaying this output using output data table. Now I will run this and show it to you how actually output is generated. Okay, for some reason my system is very slow. Let's see. Let me close the file. Any file is open. Let me stop and rerun the code. Okay, even after stop it is not stopped. Okay, I think it got stuck. Just a minute. Okay, now I will rerun this. Okay, good. Now you see we got data table with 6 columns and all our matches, 3 matches is collected in the data table and is displaying here. You can cross check here. So you see here this first match is in first row and second match is in second row and third match is in third row. This is how we can extract the values from using regular expression and add that into the data table and generate it. Okay. Thank you friends. In the next video, we will cover look ahead and look behind. We collectively say this as look around. Okay. We will see that in the upcoming video. Thank you.